Everybody, very tired right now. I'm so tired. I'll be sleeping right after this. You guys, I'll be trading all of these. Looking, I am actually looking for a spaghetti toilet. Looking for a spaghetti toilet. Trading all of these. I am actually looking for a spaghetti toilet or maybe a karama. Karama is my dream brain, not guys. Hey guys, looking for a spaghetti or a karama. Any one of these. Actually, anyone, I'll overpay for any one of those. I'll actually give my whole price for the karama, except for this. Actually, you know what? I'll offer you if you have a karama. Just type in the comments you have a karama. Matong dong. Or if you have a spaghetti toilet. I'll overpay for both of those guys. Like for the karama, I'll almost give everything in my wish. For the karama, I'll almost give everything. Not everything, but I'll almost most of the stuff in my base I'll give for the karama.